Right, it's the premium video for Wednesday, the 6th of April. I'm going to be short and sweet because I've been waffling on a lot yesterday, and we waffled on about the bulls seeming determined but nervous, and definitely they were nervous. How did they handle the gap down? Well, they didn't handle it very well because they extended the gap. So, there it is, extended the gap, but then they did end up closing, kind of more or less where they started. When I say more or less, I'm being generous, but anyway, there it is. So the question now is, and it's a simple question. I'm going to turn back to the hourly because you can see it better. We've got this channel down. Do we break the channel to the upside? Do we get up to resistance here and fall back? Okay, there are these two gaps. There's a gap there. There's a gap there, and actually there's three gaps. There's a gap that sits up. I'll go to the daily just now, but there's a gap that sits up here somewhere. Yeah, 47,800. That's a gap sitting up there. Okay, so if we break here, the target based on this distance over here, I've already calculated, is here. Is 1,100 points, puts it up to 47,400. That swing high over there. Now, I don't think it's going to all happen in one day, but that's the target. If we break there, I'll say it again, if we break there, okay? And tonight is FOMC minutes and a whole lot of stuff happening, so, anything can happen with that potential news. So the main pivot is at 45,802, sitting over here, and I think we'll most probably, open above that. That's the main pivot there. R1 46,099, and you can see, okay, that's where it gets interesting, or not. Okay, R2 46,307. Also where it gets interesting, or not. But there's a little bit too much of a coincidence that these pivots are at these levels. R3 46,604. 604. Okay. So, there already we have 1,000, we have 800 points potentially. Alright, I'm not saying this is going to happen, I'm just saying, these are possibilities if certain things happen. Okay, so, later today, as I said, is when we close already, there's crude oil inventories that could, because crude oil has been such an important kind of barometer of what's going on. There could be some, but it's very late in the day, and then of course we have FOMC minutes at 8 o'clock. So I hope it helps. See ya.